In this video, let me show you how to add payment method in AdSense. First, open your Google AdSense account. After that, go to Payment section, and then once you tap on it, the menu will expand, showing payment info and verification options. After that, click on Payment Info, and then wait for the page to load. Now, once you're in the Payment Info section, look for Manage Payment Methods, and then tap on it. After that, you'll see the list of bank accounts you've already added. And then if you want to add a new bank, tap on Add Payment Method. From here, just follow the prompts and complete the requirements. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.